Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, hi, my name is Tash and I create a lot of beauty related videos. However, at the moment I'm doing 31 days of Halloween and today's look is this skull mermaid look. If you like this look and you want to see how I've achieved it, then stay tuned and let's get on with it. Okay, so to start off this look, I have just applied some foundation as my base, and now I'm going to take a netted wig cap and put that over my face. And I'm going to be using my Cheeky Bits Rise and Pop palette, and I'm going to start with this light green here, and I'm just patting that over the net. And you can get 10% off with the code tashxglam 10. Going to switch to the darker green. And then go in with the blue. Take some of the hot pink. Some of the purple. Also taking my Aurora Glow Kit from Anastasia Beverly Hills and using these shades. Luna, Helia and Orion. And then removing the net, which has created this scale-like texture. And then taking a black eyeshadow and creating a jaw. Also taking some more of that purple from that Cheeky Bits palette, and I'm just going around that jaw. Also shading the side of my nose with that purple. And a bit of the pink. And then blending it out a little bit with a fluffy brush. Also going to fill my brows in with a black eyeshadow. Taking my P. Louise base and just applying that to my lid. Now I'm just going back in with that Cheeky Bits palette and taking the blue and applying that towards my brow and out a V. And slightly bringing it up towards the brow at the very start. Then I'm going to take that bright green and pack that underneath the blue. Going to take the purple and apply that to the lower portion of the lid. I'm also applying that blue to my lower lash line, as well as the purple and a little bit of that pink too. And then I'm joining it towards the nose and putting a bit of that bright green in the inner corners of my eye. Taking a black eyeliner and just filling in my waterline. I'm then using Gerard Cosmetics Serenity Hydra Matte Liquid Lipstick and applying that to one side of my lips. And then taking a black face paint and filling in the other side of the mouth area. Taking the Cheeky Bits palette again and starting with the hot pink. Then taking the blue. Then taking the bright green, going underneath the eye with the blue. And a little bit of that hot pink. Also taking some black face paint and drawing on a skull nose. For the other side of my face, I'm going to take some purple to do some contouring with that from, once again, the Cheeky Bits Rise and Pop palette. Now I'm going to use some teardrop gems just to create some teeth. And this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you in the next 31 days of Halloween videos. Bye!